we are going to hang the mirrors before we put in the other decor accessories. Welcome back, home girls and homeboys. And you know we cannot start a space without first decorating the windows. So we're going to put up the curtains. Now you guys, make sure that you did catch the minimalist look and the style of this room. If you didn't catch that video, make sure you pause this video, hop skippity bop over to that video, then come right back. To take the space from a minimalist, we're going to go full luxe, you guys. And we're going to start by, and all we're going to do is add something to this wall and the other wall here. I may do something ahead of on top of the bed. I'm still not full on that because I do want the headboard to be the main attraction once you look this way with the headboard and the lamps. But we are going to add in a picture here. This is something that I do on a normal basis. I will take a mirror, then add a frame to it. And to you guys, you will see in this video and upcoming videos, I am changing the position of how I do hang things on the wall. I'm bringing everything more into eye level. Now that if it's severely oversized, I will play with it, taking it up a little higher on the wall. In the space, and we're going to clean the mirror. Alright you guys, this is the other stuff that I'm adding in the space. These vases, you did see those, but they're not gonna sit there. Alright, now we are going to hang the mirrors before we put in the other decor accessories. Hey guys, at this point in the video, let me know down in that comment section, what do you think of the overall look thus far in the space? And we're still not through. We're still going to make this space a luxe and cozy space for spring and summer. All right, you guys, this is the full room reveal, and I will let you know. I think I will add something on the head of the bed, but this is what it's looking like on the side. You guys, I'm loving it. We are waiting. Our black blanket for the bed, it's still gonna be 10 more days before we get it, because it was actually on back order, so I did not prolong the video. You are going to get an updated look with the final few pieces, and we're gonna add more than just the black blanket, but this is what the space is looking like. I am currently working on a DIY project for this main wall here. I am going to attempt to do a fabric wall, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But this is what the space looks like, and I'm telling you, it is very cohesive. And I typically don't do anything there. We are enjoying the space. TT did give the room a 10 rating. She actually gave it a 15 out of the 10 when I told her to rate it. But I'm telling you guys, I do. And I mean, I do. I do love the space. With the yellow and white, it gave me the airiness and the vibrancy that I need. But the black gave me the cozy and the calming as well. We did add these back in the spaces. Once again, everything that's a DIY will be listed in the description box, because these are DIYs as well. DIYs all there. And you guys, as you can see, I took high-end and low-end pieces, mixed them together to give me the ultimate vibe that I was going for. Let me know if this inspired you. I will also include the original headboard DIY video in the description box as well. And I'm going to drop another plug right here, you guys. Make sure you are following all of our branded channels, and that is Her Home Is, which is our home decor channel, Glam Queen DIY, Her Home Tablescapes, Her Home Vlogs, and Her Home Shorts. Thank you so much for always showing me love and support, and continue to help the channel to grow. We're on that road to 10K, and I can and we will do this together. Thank you guys so much. And again, I will be including all of the video links for the DIYs in this video down in the description. I'll also link the items that I do have styled in this room in that description as well. I'm sorry, the items that I used to style this room in that description. You guys, I just want to say thank you so much. You know, you have don't know how much you've encouraged my heart, seeing your comments and receiving messages from you. I truly do appreciate it so much, and I just want to tell you thank you, thank you, thank you. And two, let me know down in the comments if you think I mastered taking this room from a minimalist look to a luxe look as well. Let me know your comments. Let me know what you would have done differently in the space, or how you would have tweaked it, not tweaked it. Just talk to me in those comments, because I do love talking to you down there. And I want to tell you guys, make sure that you do check out all of our channels. Once again, those links are down in the description box. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see you in another video. You guys remember, you are the key to your own success and happiness.